Most creatives massively overcomplicate their first digital product. They look around and think they need a polished course, a beautiful Canva design, or a complete training program before they make their first sale. But here's the truth. The simplest digital products usually sell the best, especially when you're just getting started. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your first $27 offer in one afternoon, even if you think you have nothing to sell. Let's start with why this works so well. A $27 product removes resistance. It's not a price someone needs to think about overnight. It's low enough to be an impulse decision, but high enough to communicate value. And most importantly, it's the perfect way to turn a follower into a customer for the very first time. Once someone buys from you once, everything changes. They trust you more, they pay attention more, and they're far more likely to buy something from you again. Now, let's talk about what your first product should actually be. It should solve one problem, not five, not a whole curriculum, just one. If you can help someone overcome a single challenge quickly, that's a product. Think about the things people constantly ask you about. Think about the things your friends or students come to you for. Think about what you've solved for yourself that someone else is still struggling with. Here are some examples. A checklist that helps beginners get started. A script you use for client onboarding. A lesson plan that always works with students. A template you built for your own business. Or even a 10 mistakes to avoid guide. If it helps someone make progress in 10 minutes, it can be a $27 offer. And here's how you build it quickly. I call this the 1-hour extraction method. Open a Google Doc and answer 4 questions. 1. What's the problem this solves? 2. What's the fastest way to solve it? 3. What steps would I tell a complete beginner? And 4. What mistakes should they avoid? That's your outline. You can write that in 20 to 30 minutes. Next, let's package it. Now, most people get stuck here because they think it needs to look perfect. It doesn't. A clean Google Doc exported as a PDF works extremely well. Add a simple title, a short introduction, your solution, and one example. Then end with a small next step. Now, let's talk about how to price it and launch it. Start at $27. Put it on Podia, Payhip, or ClickFunnels, whatever you already use. Then make a simple post on TikTok or Instagram that says, here's the exact template I used to solve this problem. If you want it, the link is in my bio. That's it. Keep it simple. You don't need a funnel, you don't need ads, and you don't need a big audience. The goal is not to make thousands of dollars on day one, although that can happen. The first goal is to get your first customers, collect feedback, and build momentum. And the reason this works is because a digital product is not created by design, it's created by clarity. You're simply helping someone achieve one specific result faster. So, yes, you can build your first digital product in one afternoon. If you follow this process, your first sale is a lot closer than you think.